All done.
All done with your stir fry?
All done.
Do you have the hiccups?
No.
Oh. Well, here, let's not get that everywhere. You know, if you drink some water, that might help.
Oh, done.
All done with, what are these?
Chopsticks.
Chopsticks, that's right. Did you eat with the chopsticks?
All done.
What's wrong? You want to do milk?
Yeah.
Why? Because you have the hiccups? Okay, you can do milk. What do you say?
Please.
Please say, I have the hiccups.
Please.
Say, I have hiccups. Say, hiccups.
Hiccups.
Yeah, do you need to do milk because you have the hiccups? Yeah. Do you want to drink some water instead to see if you can get rid of the hiccups with the water? Do you want to see if this makes it better? You have to drink a lot to make it better. Did it make it better?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to do milk instead?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we can do milk now.
All done pieces.
Yep, all done taking pictures.